Hello everyone! This video isn't meant to be educational. It's just about sharing my hobby. I enjoy creating smart devices to automate my home routines. Today I'll show you one of my projects, making a smart lamp using an ESP8266 controller and addressable WS2812B LED strip. After successful tests on development boards, I moved on to assembling the device on a breadboard, soldering all the components in place. After some simple power calculations, I chose a transformer with a slight power margin, a 5W high-link model with 220 to 5 volts for the LED strip, and a module converting 5 to 3.3 volts for the controller. This could be done with the voltage dividers on resistors, but I found the module solution more reliable. Unfortunately, the first attempt didn't work. The multimeter couldn't find the solution either. The issue was in the proper pin configuration during the startup of the controller. Adding a few 10 kΩ resistors to the corresponding pins and ensuring everything works correctly allows me to move on to designing the printed circuit board. Thanks to the quick delivery from China, I soldered everything in place and checked if it worked correctly. All LEDs blink, so it's time to install the two strips into the wall lamp housing. Thanks for watching until the end.